Hi, I'm Felix Med. I'm the Head of R&D and Innovation Reliefs at TC Group, and today we're going to talk a little bit about common arguments HMRC use during their compliance checks. Why are HMRC opening an increasing number of inquiries? HMRC are opening more inquiries because a number of years ago they noted that there was significant error and fraud, in their own words, within the SME R&D tax credit scheme. This was centred at the time on a smaller number of industries, but also on a view that many companies were claiming more widely than perhaps the legislation was intended to allow. As a result, HMRC increased the person power of the R&D tax credits team, or the R&D compliance team, I should say, and also brought on the campaigns and projects team from HMRC in order to increase their capacity for volume compliance approach. And this has meant that the rate of compliance checks has gone up from low single-digit percentages in the early 2020s to, as of last year, I believe, around the 25% of SME claims being checked. I'm now going to run through several of the most common arguments HMRC use during an inquiry process. Either it's not a legitimate advance or a technological uncertainty. Another common argument from HMRC is that the advance is a commercial advance, done for commercial purposes. A third common argument is that it's trial and error testing and not R&D. The fourth reason we often hear is that these are technical challenges and not technological uncertainties. To learn how to address some of HMRC's most common arguments in an inquiry, please take a look at my deep dive video. To determine if you're eligible to claim R&D tax credits, get in touch for a free initial consultation.